Say goodbye to sugar. 4 healthy alternatives to sugar. Hello again and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Dr. Hanz MD, where we 10x your success by optimizing your health. Hey there everyone! We've got something exciting in store for you. We're introducing a game to our episodes to make things even more fun and interactive. As you watch my videos, keep your eyes peeled because at random times, a single letter will appear in a corner of your screen. Pay close attention to it because it's part of a puzzle we're building together. Throughout the video, more letters will pop up. Your mission is to figure out the mystery words that these letters spell. Once you think you've got the word, head down to the comment section and leave your answer. The first 20 viewers who correctly guess the word will have their names entered into a spinning wheel contest and will place the 20 names on the wheel and spin it randomly to select the lucky winner who will receive a $50 Amazon gift card. At the moment, this game is open only to viewers in the US mainland. So, get ready to put your observation skills to the test. And remember, the letters will appear throughout the video, so keep your eyes sharp. Good luck and have fun! Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's super relevant in our sugar-obsessed society: natural sugar substitutes. Let's take a quick reality check. Did you know that the average American consumes a staggering 150 pounds of added sugar per year? That's more than the weight of a fully grown man. It's no secret that excessive sugar consumption can lead to a host of health problems, from obesity and diabetes to heart disease and even certain types of cancer. And the worst part is that a lot of this sugar is hidden in processed foods, drinks, and even seemingly healthy products. It's no wonder that many of us are looking for healthier alternatives. A few months ago, in another episode, we talked about a list of healthier alternatives to granulated sugar. Well, we're expanding on that list with a fresh batch of options. So here are the other alternatives to granulated sugar that can satisfy your sweet tooth. First up is molasses. This thick dark syrup is a byproduct of sugarcane or sugar beet processing. It has a glycemic index of around 55, which is lower than regular granulated sugar's GI of about 65. But what makes molasses stand out? Molasses is packed with essential nutrients. It contains iron, calcium, magnesium, and potassium, minerals that are crucial for bone health and muscle function. Plus, it's rich in antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress in your body. So when baking or sweetening oatmeal, consider using molasses. If you're looking for a natural sweetener with a bit more nutrition and a lot more kick, molasses might be right for you. Next on our list is applesauce. This delicious fruit puree not only adds moisture and flavor to recipes, but it also has a low glycemic index ranging between 30 and 40, depending on how it's made. Applesauce is an excellent source of dietary fiber and vitamin C. The fiber in applesauce can help slow down the digestion of sugars, preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. This makes it a particularly beneficial option for people with diabetes or those looking to manage their blood sugar. It can help keep you feeling full longer while supporting your immune system. Plus, using applesauce as a substitute for oil or butter in baking can significantly reduce calories and fat content without sacrificing taste. Now, let's talk about agave nectar. This sweet syrup comes from the agave plant and has a glycemic index of around 15, much lower than granulated sugar. But there's more to agave than just a lower GI. Agave nectar is sweeter than sugar, so you can use less of it while still achieving the desired sweetness. It's also high in fructans, a type of soluble fiber that can aid digestion and promote gut health. And last but not the least, we have xylitol. The sugar alcohol has gained popularity as a sugar substitute because it has a GI of just 7. Yes, you heard it right. That means it would hardly make a dent in your blood sugar level, and it can be great for diabetics. Xylitol is known for its dental benefits. It can help reduce the risk of cavities by inhibiting the growth of harmful bacteria in your mouth. Plus, it can promote saliva production, which helps protect your teeth from decay. Just be cautious about excessive amounts, as it can cause digestive issues. And if you have pets, watch out. Xylitol can be toxic to dogs. So there you have it, 4 fantastic natural sugar substitutes: molasses, applesauce, agave nectar, and xylitol. Add this to the list of natural sugar alternatives that I shared in a previous video. Don't forget to check that one out also. Each of these natural sugar substitutes brings their unique flavor profile and health benefits while keeping your blood sugar levels in check. Remember that while these alternatives are healthier options, moderation is paramount. Excessive consumption of any sweetener can still contribute to weight gain and other health issues. It's important to consult with your healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diet. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips tailored for you. And don't forget to type your favorite dish or drink naturally sweetened by the alternatives we mentioned. We'd love to hear from you in the comments section below. As always, we hope you join us again on another episode of Dr. Hanz, MD, where we 10x your success by optimizing your health.